Hello everybody, today I'm going to be making porridge, and today I'm going to have my little helper which he's already advancing here with the ingredients. He will be helping me a little bit putting some of the ingredients. So in this pot I already have, so my son is adding them one by one instead of throwing them in the pot. So I'm adding like 7 cloves. So the amount I'm making is like for 6 people. So 7 to 10 cloves is enough. So my son is going to be 11 soon, and I'm teaching him how to make oatmeal, and he loves to learn, so why not? And it's good for them to learn, but safely. I try to teach them the easier way. That's how his 35-year-old and 27-year-old brother learned. And now we're gonna add sweet pimento. This will make this water taste amazing. So whatever you decide to make, any type of porridge with any type of flour, oatmeal, anything, if you do this procedure, trust me, the flavor will be so delicious that you will never stop doing it. My small son loves it, so that's why I'm teaching him how to do this easy recipe. If I had anise seeds, that would also add a nice touch, a nice beautiful flavor too. I would add those 3, and that's basically it. So now I'm gonna let this boil for 5 minutes to 7 minutes, and I'll be back to remove them. Well, it's been 7 minutes so far, so now it's time to take out these cloves. I usually leave a couple, but not that much, just maybe 2 or 3, just to keep it giving out that flavor. And these cloves and pimentos, I don't discard them right away. I save them so I can make some tea, because it still has a lot of flavors, so I do use it for tea. Okay, so here I have 2 cups of coconut milk. You can choose any milk, cashews, almonds, whatever you wish to use. It's your choice. And I'm adding to this 2 cups of oats. I don't think I said it, but the water that I used was like 2.5 cups, so it kind of lessened a bit, so it should be 2 cups of water that was boiling with the cloves. All right, so I'm adding sugar or any sweetener of your choice. Sugar, I add probably like 1/4 cup. Okay, so I'm adding 2 more cups of water, and I'm gonna start stirring it in. All right, so what we're gonna do is keep on stirring until it starts boiling. Once it starts boiling a little hard, we turn off the stove. You see how it's starting to bubble? Well, it's about to boil hard, and then I'm gonna turn off the stove. So the trick here is don't make it stick on the bottom. With a spoon, you're stirring, and once it starts boiling hard, as you see there, then you just turn it off. Just turn off the stove. Right now it's boiling hard, so just turn off the stove. And since the stove is still hot, it's still cooking, because if you still keep it on, it will burn. The bottom will burn and it will stick. So just turn off the stove once it starts boiling hard like this. And that's it, my friends. Simple, easy, no hassles. I mean, it's a very easy recipe. I hope you try it out. Let me know if you did and if you liked it or not. I would love to hear your comments. So now it's time to serve. So here it is, my friends, a delicious oatmeal porridge. I hope you try it out. Let me know, comment below if you tried the recipe and if you liked it or not. If you're new, subscribe. Don't forget to click that bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Share my videos, and hope to see you again in the next video. Thank you all for watching. Bye.